Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, volcanoes. Look at the picture. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which lava, volcanic ash, gases erupt from magma chamber below the surface. This diagram has all the parts of a volcano clearly labeled. Most of the volcanoes are cone shaped like this. Just follow the diagram. Vent. The opening through which lava and other materials come to the surface is called vent. Crater. The funnel shaped depressions at the top of a vent is called crater. Magma chamber. A reservoir of magma beneath the surface of the earth is called magma chamber. Okay. Types of volcano. Volcanoes may be classified into three groups: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, extinct volcanoes. Active volcano. An active volcano is one that is erupting or will soon erupt. There are several hundred active volcanoes in the world. For example, Mount St. Helens, Stromboli, etc. Dormant volcano. A dormant volcano is one that has not erupted for a long time. Extinct volcano. An extinct volcano is one that has not erupted for more than 10,000 years. Intrusive volcanic features. Intrusive type of landform occurs when lava solidifies within the earth crust and give rise to various shapes and forms like batholith, laccolith, shield dike. Look at the picture. This portion has been already taught to you in previous chapter. Come to the next point. Extrusive volcanic landforms. Extrusive volcanic landforms are those landforms that are formed as a result of magma reaching the earth's surface as lava. First, ash and cinder cone. Look at the diagram. These are built when eruptions are of explosive type. Growth of an ash or cinder cone begins around the crater. It is not very high. Number 2, composite volcano. Composite cones are the highest of all volcanic cones. These are formed due to accumulation of different layers of various volcanic materials, and hence these are also called as stratocone. In fact, these cones are formed due to deposition of alternate layers of lava and fragmental materials, wherein lava acts as cementing material for the compaction of fragmental materials. Okay. Number 3, shield volcano. Shield volcanoes are composed almost exclusively basaltic type of lava that is very fluid when erupted. For this reason, these volcanoes are not steep. Okay. Lava dome. It is formed when viscous lava solidifies quickly and forms a steep-sided cone. Lava solidifies in the spine. Look at the diagram. So here I close the chapter for today. In next class we will discuss about causes and effects of volcanoes. Okay.